Pranam dear student, in last session we had learned to construct a quadrilateral when four sides and diagonals are given, okay, and the two diagonals when two diagonals and three sides are given. Now in this session we are going to construct a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are known, means three angles are given, means two adjacent sides and three angles of a quadrilaterals are given, and we have to construct a quadrilateral by that. Let us see exercise 4.3, and that question number 1 is quadrilateral more. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral more, M-O-R-E, in such a way that MO is equal to, side MO is equal to given 6 centimeter, OR is given 4.5 centimeter, then it is given angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is given 105 degree, and angle R is equal to again 105 degree. Now first we need to draw one rough figure here. Let us draw one rough figure, that is M O, like that we can draw one rough figure here, quadrilateral M-O-R-E, M-O-R-E, one quadrilateral we need to draw where MO is given 6 centimeter, then OR is given 4.5 centimeter. Now few angles are also given, that is angle M is given 60 degree, then this angle O is given 105 degree, and this is also given 105 degree. Now we need to draw quadrilateral of quadrilateral MORE where two sides, that is MO and OR, is given, three angle, that is angle M, angle O and angle R is given. So first we need to draw this baseline, that is MO. So with the help of scale and pencil we first need to draw MO. So here in center we can draw MO, that is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter we can draw here. Now we can give it name also, MO, it is 6 centimeter. Now angles are given, so we need to draw some angles. So with the help of protractor, this is our protractor which we use to measure angles or to draw angle. First we will draw angle MOX or Y, whatever it is, 105 degrees. So it will be between 100 and 110. So let us draw it now. Here we can draw this, let it be MOX. MOX is equal to 105 degree. Now here it is 105 degree we can write. Second thing, it is given that angle M is equal to 60 degree. So from M we can draw here 60 degree here. So we can draw one more, let it be MOY. OMY is equal to 60 degree we can draw here. So this angle is our 60 degree. Now it is again given OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So with center O and radius 4.5 centimeter, O को सेंटर लेना है और रेडियस 4.5 सेंटीमीटर, वी नीड टू ड्रॉ वन आर्क ऑन OX. इधर एक आर्क बनाना है हमें, विच इज अवर, वी कैन से हियर इट इज आर्क. नाउ अगेन दिस इज अवर 4.5 centimeter. Now MO we got, OR we got, angle M we got, angle O we got. Another thing is given, angle R. So by keeping this here, we need to draw one angle like this here, which intersect OMY. एक ऐसा एंगल बनाएंगे which intersect MY at E. So this is our again 105 degree, and this angle quadrilateral MORE is our required quadrilateral. Again I am repeating, it is given in quadrilateral MORE, two sides are given, that is MO and OR is given. So first we will draw the base, that is MO 6 centimeter, then three angles, angle M is equal to 60, angle O is equal to 105, angle R is equal to 105. So first angle 60 degree we will draw here, that is, or we can say angle MOX we will draw here 105 degree, then we can draw angle MOY 60 degree here. Then this two angle we got. Now we know that OR is equal to 4.5. So with center O and radius 4.5 centimeter, we can draw one arc here. So we will get R here. Now again we know that angle R is 105 degree. So from here with the help of protractor we can draw angle R which is 105 degree. So we will get the required quadrilateral. MORE is our required quadrilateral. Now let us see next question. Question number second is same as we had done here. Let us see question number third. Question number 3 is we need to draw a parallelogram HEAR, a parallelogram HEAR where HE is equal to 5 centimeter, EA is equal to 6 centimeter. HE is equal to 5 centimeter, EA is equal to 6 centimeter, angle R is equal to 85 degree. Now we can draw one parallelogram here like this. Suppose HEAR, HEAR, this is the required quadrilateral. Now here it is given that this is our 5 centimeter, this is our 6 centimeter, and again one thing is given is that angle R is equal to 85 degree. Now we should know that if angle R is equal to 85 degree, this 2 is given, we need this angle and this angle. So we need to find out from where we will get this angle. Now if angle R is 85 degree here, then angle E is equal to angle R, because they are opposite angles of parallelogram. Angle E और एंगल आर दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे because they are opposite angles of parallelogram. So we can write angle E is equal to 85 degree. ये एंगल E हमें मिल जाएगा 85 degree. Next, angle H plus angle R, these both are adjacent angle. Now we can say now angle H plus angle R is equal to 180 degree because they are adjacent angles of parallelogram, and we know the properties of parallelogram. In properties of parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. So this angle H plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Angle H plus angle R is 85 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Angle H is equal to 180 degree minus 85 degree. We imply that angle H is equal to 95 degree. So here we got angle H is equal to 95 degree. Now we got this angle is equal to 95 degree. This is equal to 85 degree. Now if this is equal to 85 degree, we need this angle. Then also we got, if we want this side, then also we will get that the side is HR is equal to AE. So we will get this is equal to 6 centimeter. If we want this angle, then also we will get that this angle A is equal to angle H, because they are opposite angles of पैरेललोग्राम. तो दोनों तरह से हम बना सकते हैं. देखो अगर यहाँ पे हमें एच आर की वैल्यू निकालनी है, एच आर इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर, तो दे आर ऑपोजिट साइड टू ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, तो वो 6 सेंटीमीटर मिल जाएगी, तभी हम कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर हम एंगल ए की वैल्यू निकाल लें, एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू 95 डिग्री, बिकॉज इट इज व्हाट, ये ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, एंगल एच, तो 95 डिग्री. तो अब हमें निकाल सकते हैं, ये वाला ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. एच ई 5 सेंटीमीटर, 6 सेंटीमीटर ये. ओके, तो लेट अस नाउ ड्रॉ. ये मिल गया हमें अगेन 95 डिग्री. सो लेट अस नाउ ड्रॉ. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू ड्रॉ एच इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. That is our H E. This is our 5 centimeter. First we need to draw H E is equal to 5 centimeter. Now angle H 90 degree, angle E is equal to 85 degree. So with the help of protractor, first we will draw here 85 degree. 85 degree means somewhere here, and here it is 95 degree. So 95 degree means 90 plus 5 means somewhere here. So let us draw this first. Angle HE, suppose it is X, HEX is equal to 85 degree. In the same way, this angle EH, suppose it is Y, then angle EHY, this is our 95 degree. This two we had done. Now one more thing is given, that is angle A, this EA is equal to 6 centimeter. So with center E and radius 6 centimeter, we can draw one arc like this. Which we can write here, it is our A. Now we know that angle A is equal to 95 degree. So from here we can draw 95 degree. This is here. Okay. So this is our 95 degree. This is 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, and this is the required quadrilateral which meet here at, we can say, at R. So HEAR is our required quadrilateral. Here we can see that first we had drawn HE, then angle HEX and angle EXY. This is 85 degree, this is 95 degree. This how we got, we had done here. Now in the same way we had write EA is equal to 95 degree, and when it meet here, that when it intersect these two, it is A. So we got this quadrilateral HEAR, which is required. Now let's move toward the next topic. Next topic is to draw the quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Here 3 sides are given and 2 included angles are given. Now let us see exercise 4.4 in question number 1, quadrilateral DEAR, where DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA is equal to 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and angle E and angle A is given. Angle E is equal to 60 degree, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now we have to draw a quadrilateral DEAR whose three sides are given and two angles are given. Three sides mean DE is given 4 centimeter, EA is given 5 centimeter, AR is given 4.5 centimeter, and angle E is equal to 60 and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now let us first draw the rough figure. Here rough figure will be, let us draw one rough figure. Suppose rough figure D E A R. DEAR, where DE is equal to given 4 centimeter, then EA, DEAR, EA is given 5 centimeter, AR, this is given 4.5 centimeter, angle E is given 60 degree, and A is given 90 degree. These two angles are given, included angle. ये तीनों साइड के अंदर एंगल होंगे वही दिया हुआ है, और हमें दिया है 3 साइड. अब सबसे पहले हम करेंगे DE इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. सबसे पहले ड्रॉ करेंगे DE इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. So here we will draw DE is equal to 4 centimeter. This is D and this is our E, which is equal to 4 centimeter. DE is equal to 4 centimeter. Now it is given angle E is equal to 60 degree. So again with the help of protractor, this is our 60 degree. Let it be angle DEX. Angle DEX is equal to 60 degree. Now again given angle EA is 5 centimeter. So with center E and radius 5 centimeter, we need to draw one arc. Here this is the arc we need to draw. Now if this is arc, then it will be our, the arc should be properly only one only, so that it be, this is the arc we can draw. This is our A. Now we know that angle A is 90 degree. So again by using this we need to draw one angle which is 90 degree here, like this. One angle we need to draw, this it should be 90 degree. Now again we know that AR is given 4.5 centimeter. So with center, this is our A, angle A. DE is 4 centimeter. This EA is given 5 centimeter. DE first we had drawn, उसके बाद किया हमने एंगल 60 डिग्री, उसके बाद EA 5 सेंटीमीटर दिया था, ये हमारा A है. अब एंगल A 90 डिग्री है, तो ये 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ किया है. अब AR इज इक्वल टू 4.5 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है, तो विथ सेंटर A एंड रेडियस 4.5. ये रेडियस 4.5 विच इंटरसेक्ट द प्रीवियस. ये हमारा हो गया R, ये है 4.5 एंड वी नीड टू जॉइन दिस बोथ. So this is the required quadrilateral where DE is given 4 cm, EA is given 5 cm, AR is given 4.5 cm, angle E is given 60 degree, angle A is given 90 degree. So in this way we can draw or we can construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 angles are given. Now let us see in some special cases. For example, if we want to draw the square, if only one thing is given, then also we can draw the square, because we know that square is a, in previous chapter we had studied that square is a very special parallelogram which has all the properties of all the parallelogram. Means square has the properties of rhombus also and rectangle also. So in some special cases only one thing is given, then also we can, one or two thing is given, then also we can construct a quadrilateral. For example, let us see exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5. Let us see exercise 4.5. Here in the first one it is given that a square READ with, it is given RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Now let us first draw the rough figure of square here. Suppose it is READ. Now READ, where RE is given 5.1 centimeter. If RE is 5.1 centimeter, then therefore EA is also 5.1 centimeter. So we can say that EAAD is also 5.1 centimeter. So 3 sides we already got. Now 2 angle also we need. These 3 sides. So we know that here if RE is equal to, we can say that all the sides of square are equal, therefore EA is equal to AD is equal to RE which is equal to 5.1. अब हमने पढ़ा है कि हमें चाहिए 3 साइड और 2 एंगल हमें चाहिए, 3 साइड और 2 एंगल चाहिए, देन वी कैन ड्रॉ. और इफ इट इज स्क्वायर देन देयरफॉर we can say angle E is equal to angle A is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because they are angles of square. हमें पता है कि angle of square क्या होता है, that is always 90 degree. Now let us draw this READ. So first we need to draw RE is equal to 5.1 degree. Sorry, 5.1 centimeter. RE which is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Now we need to draw 90 degree from here. So with the help of protractor we can draw 90 degree. Now again EA is also 5.1 centimeter. So with center E and radius 5.1 centimeter, we can draw one arc here. Okay, and this is our A. Now again we know that A is 90 degrees. So with the help of protractor we can see that this is our 90 degree. So there we can draw one arc like that. this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is again 5.1 centimeter, this is again 90 degree. Now again with center A and radius 5.1 degree, 5.1 centimeter, we can draw one arc like this. So this will be 5.1 centimeter. Now we can join, this is our D, we got here D, this we can join like this. So this is our required quadrilateral READ. So in this way, in some special cases, we can draw or we can construct a quadrilateral with the help of their property. If only one thing is given or two things is given, then also we can draw or construct a quadrilateral with the help of their property, but it should be either square, rhombus, rectangle, it should be given there. In the second question also, the rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter, we had already done in exercise 4.2 this type of sum. Then question number 3 also, a rectangle we have to draw, so with the help of this property we can draw rectangle. In 4.5, this question number 4, a parallelogram we have to draw, that also, this all you can do by yourself. So here we end our exercise 4.5 and we also end the chapter 4. The remaining question you have to do by yourself. Thank you.